If you've lost access to your Make.com account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Make.com login page. Go to the official Make.com website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password and click on it to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Make.com account. Make sure to double check for any typos. After entering your email, submit the form to receive recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SSOR to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Return to the Make.com login page and enter your email and new password. Once logged in, consider updating your account settings to add a new phone number or alternative recovery options for future access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Make.com account without needing your phone number. Always ensure your account recovery options are up to date to avoid similar issues in the future.